Hi students in Letterland. Today we are going to quick code. Let's review our rule from yesterday. It's the 1-1-1 rule where there must be one syllable, one vowel, and one consonant after that vowel. So when that happens, you will double the final letter before adding a vowel suffix. So for run, there's one syllable, one vowel, one consonant. So we're going to double that in, and then you're going to add your suffix, either the ending part of the word. So you're going to add the ER, add it in, and then add the ING. Now, if it does not follow these rules, then you do not double the letter. So any of these suffixes like ER, ED, ING that start with a vowel, that's what you're going to use this rule for. So during today's quick coding, we're going to look for those patterns. And we're going to get started. So for quick coding today, if you were at school yesterday and you have a paper, you should have brought one home in your homework folder. Go ahead and get that out, pause the video, get a pencil. You may do this with me. And then we're only going to do this side today and then bring that back with you and we'll do the other side in class. And then if you're at home, you can just at the end, I send it in Shobi. You can do it on the screen and submit it to Ms. Fogelman. So for the first word, grinned. Okay, I need to get my pencil. Dot our vowels. Whoops, does not look like a dot. Okay, there we go. Circle any prefixes and suffixes. So I have a suffix right here, an ending, and that's one with a vowel, and you see a double N. Okay, so we use that. It looks like we use the 1-1-1 rule here. We do not use it to label it though. And we have our bracket syllables next. So we need to bracket in grin. Okay. And then we need to say what kind of syllable that is. Well, this vowel is closed in. Okay. And that's a closed syllable. And that is a short I, end. So it's a short I. And that's all we do for that one. Grinned. Now let's do peeking. So we dot our vowels. Remember when you dot your vowels, pay attention to if you see any patterns. I noticed there's double E's, so we might have to see what that's about soon. Circle your prefixes and suffixes. Circle the ING. And then we need to bracket our syllables. Okay. Peak. It stops right there. And then we need to label that bracket type. And I see there's a little vowel team going on here, a double E. So we're going to underline that and label our syllable bracket with a V for vowel team. And then we will mark our vowels. So this one is going to be silent with a long E. Put a straight line over it. Peeking, Mr. E. So it's a long E. Then we read the word again when you're finished. Peeking. Good. The next one, winked. We dot our vowels, the I and the E. Then we circle any prefixes or suffixes. There's a vowel suffix here, the ED. And this one does not have the 1-1 rule because winked. The base word is one syllable, but see how there is two consonants after that I. That's why they did not have to double any letters here. So we're going to label this bracket. The I is closed in. So we're going to put C for closed, winked, and it's going to be a short I. And that's all we do for that one. Then you read the word after, winked. The next one, gripped. So we dot our vowels, I and E. Then we're going to circle our suffix. It's our vowel suffix here at the end. And I see there's a double P here. That must have followed the 1-1 rule like we learned about. The base word is gripped. It's one syllable though, so we stop at this P. And this I is closed in, so it's a closed syllable. And it's a short I. And this 1-1-1 rule happened because you have grip, G-R-I-P, that's one syllable, and it's has a vowel in the middle and then one consonant after. So that's why they added a double P and with this vowel suffix at the end, gripped. Okay, we have one more we're gonna do today, slogging, slogging. So dot our vowels and then circle our suffix. Oops. And then we need to do our bracket syllables. And this also has that double G here from our rule that we learned. We're gonna label it's a closed syllable because this O is closed in, and we have a short O. And we are finished. Well, first we need to read the word. Slogging, okay? Those of you who are at home, please make sure you have this completed and ask your teacher any questions tomorrow when you come back to class, or send Ms. Vogelman a message if you have a question from her class. Okay. Now the next thing is robot talked. So it's always good to practice this. Grinned, peeking, winked, gripped, slogging. And now it's your turn to try if you have not done so already. And I will be talking to you tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day.